Hello Internet Marketer, my name is Leon from How to Webmaster, and today I'm going to show you how to easily and quickly make logos for free by using two of my favorite tools, and I'll show you the links at the bottom of the video in the descriptions. And the first one is logoshi.com. It's a beautiful logo maker, and let's type in the company name here, slogan, initials, and the color. Let's just leave it as default for now. Click on make logos, and it's gonna pop out a bunch of different logos, banners, t-shirts, all kinds of these cool designs. As you can see, professional looking, amazing, and you can even click make logos again to get even more logos, and each one of these are different from the others, and you can even try a different color. So let's try blue, and here you have blue colors, t-shirts, buildings, tags. So it's a really cool place to give you some ideas about logos. And my next favorite place to make a logo is flamingtext. So it's only for text logos, but you can make some really nice text logos. So let's go with How to Webmaster as the logo text. You can adjust the size and the font. You can go with all kinds of cool fonts here, and they have more over here in the left sidebar. So let's go with some popular, and as you can see, these are really cool fonts you can use as logos. And let's choose this one as an example. It looks pretty cool, so I'm gonna stick with that one. And then you click on logo to edit the color if you want. You can edit the outline size, which is the white outline here, and you can adjust the size if you want it less thick, like that. And then you can choose the color. You can choose the shadow, so you can see behind here is a little bit black. You can have reflection like that, which is pretty cool too. So let's go with that, and then click on background. If you want to make it transparent like that, that way it fits nicely into your website. Whatever color your website is, it'll fit nicely with that. And the last one is image. You can auto crop and adjust the fixed size. So let's do auto crop to get rid of all these extra space, like that. Just drag over and you get rid of the extra space. And you can do file format. PNG is the one for the transparent, so let's stick with that. And now just click on done, and it'll tell you to buy the logo, but you don't have to. You click on download, and here it is. And I don't see any watermark of any kind of watermark or things like that from flamingtext, so I'm not sure what to buy. What do you get for buying it? So you can just download it and just use it like that. So there you have it, two pretty awesome places to make really cool logos for your websites and blogs. So I hope this helps. Thanks again for watching another video from How to Webmaster. Check back for more internet marketing tips and tricks. Thanks again for watching, and happy marketing.